Hello guys, today Dubstechnology Present. Please subscribe to my channel. I need your support to grow up this channel. Back to the topic. So, Asus ZenFone 5 smartphone was launched in January 2014. The phone comes with a 5.00-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 720 pixels by 1280 pixels. Asus ZenFone 5 price in India starts from 8,202 rupees. The Asus ZenFone 5 is powered by 1.6 GHz dual-core Intel Atom Z2560 processor, and it comes with 2 GB of RAM. The phone packs 8 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 64 GB via a microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Asus ZenFone 5 packs a 8 megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 2 megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Asus ZenFone 5 runs Android 4.3 and is powered by a 2110mAh non-removable battery. It measures 148.20 x 72.80 x 10.34 height x width x thickness, and weigh 145.00 grams. The Asus ZenFone 5 is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM smartphone that accepts microSIM and microSIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, USB OTG, FM and 3 grams. Sensors on the phone include Compass Magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer and ambient light sensor. About Asus. Asus K Computer Incorporated, known as Asus, is a Taiwanese multinational computer hardware and electronics company. Was founded in 1989 in Taiwan. Asus is one of the world's largest computer hardware companies. Its products include desktops, PC peripherals, laptops, smartphones, tablets and hybrid devices. The company has made Android phones powered by Intel and Qualcomm SoCs. Thanks for watching. So always stay tuned with new videos from my channel. Let's subscribe and share, my friends. Cause you all the best.